Hello, good morning friends. Myself Dhaval S. Mistry. I am Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, which is situated in Navsari. Today we are going to discuss types of manufacturing process. First we start importance of manufacturing process. Let's be first. The definition of manufacturing process is that raw material are converted into the finished product or final product. Manufacturing is the backbone of any industrialization nation. Manufacturing and the technical staff in industry must know the various manufacturing process material being processed, tool and equipment for manufacturing different components or products with optimal process plan using proper precaution and specified safety rules to avoid accident. In this topic, importance of manufacturing, beside above, all kind of the further engineers must know the basic requirement of workshop activity in the term of man, machine, material, method, money, and other infrastructure facility need to be positioned properly for optimal shop layout or plant layout and other support service effectively adjusted or located in the industry or plant within a well-planned manufacturing organization. The complete understanding of basic manufacturing process and workshop technology is highly difficult for anyone to claim expert over it. The study of deal with several aspects of workshop practice are for the importing of the basic working knowledge of different engineering material, tool, equipment, manufacturing process, basic concept of electromechanical control of machine tools, production criteria, characteristics and uses of various testing instruments and measuring or inspected device for checking component or product manufactured in various manufacturing shop in the industrialization environment. This is the importance of manufacturing processes. Next is scope. Today's competitive manufacturing era of high industrial development and research is being called the age of mechanization, automation and computer integrated manufacturing. Due to a new researchers in the manufacturing field, the advancement has come to this extent that every different aspect of the technology has become a full-fledged fundamental and advanced study in itself. This had led to introduction of optimization, design and manufacturing of new product. New development in manufacturing area are deciding to transfer more skill to the machine for considerable reduction of manual labor. The scope of the subject of workshop technology and the manufacturing practice is the extremely wide, as is specified the need of greater care for man, machine, material and other equipment involving higher initial investment by using a proper safety rules and precaution. The thorough and deep knowledge in the course of study of this important subject is therefore becoming essential for all the kind of engineering to have sound foundation in their profession. This is the scope of the manufacturing process. Next topic is classification of manufacturing process. This is the most IMP question asked in GTU exam paper for final GTU exam paper. This is the 7 marks question in a GTU question. Explain the classification of manufacturing process. In the mainly 4 manufacturing process given below, first one is casting process, second one is forming process, third one is fabrication process and fourth one is material removal process. First one is casting process. These are the only process where liquid metal is used. Molten metal is poured into this refractory mold cavity and it's allowed to solidify. The simple definition of casting process is that molten metal are poured into a mold. Molten metal are poured into mold. Molten metal is in the liquid form. Molten metal are poured into a mold, then it's solidify, and then it's getting shape. It's called a casting process. The types of casting process is given by first one is gravity die casting, cell mold casting, precision investment casting, continuous casting, die casting, and centrifugal casting. This is the main importance of types of casting process. First one is the gravity die casting process. In this casting, the molten metal are poured by the gravity. No external force used in this process, only gravity used, and then its casting process is done. Second one is the cell mold casting. In this casting process, we are making first cell, then the molten metal are poured into mold. Third one is precision investment casting. In this type, first material is wax, and wax is milled by, and then making a mold, and then molten metal are poured in this, and then it is used of the highly precision investment casting. Then continuous casting. In this process, we are making a long road made by in this continuous casting. Then the die casting. In die casting, also another name for is pressure die casting, because in this type casting process, the in this die casting process, we are using a fan. In this type of no gravity is used, or molten metal are poured by the blower fan, and external force is applied, and then done the casting process. Another is centrifugal casting. In centrifugal casting, we are making a hollow pipe making in this process. Next is second process is forming process. These are the solid state manufacturing process involving minimum wastage and faster production. In forming process, metal may heat to a temperature which is slightly below the solidus temperature, and then a large force is applied such that the material flow and takes the desired shape. A simple definition for the forming process is that first metal is heat, then large force is applied. So what's happened? Material change the shape, and then it's called a forming process. In this forming process, there are mainly two types: hot working process and cold working process. Hot working process and cold working process are depending on the recrystallization temperature. The definition of recrystallization temperature ki the grain structure are reformed to call the recrystallization temperature. Above the recrystallization temperature, that's a hot working process, and below the recrystallization temperature is cold working process. The types of forming process, first one is rolling process. In this rolling process, there are two roll mill you use, 3 roller, 4 roller, or cluster mill. In this rolling process, what's happened? Material dimension are changed, and the thickness of the material are reduced. In the rolling process. Then drop forging, second one. Drop forging, the use of the roller mechanism. In this type of roller mechanism, our roller are two die. Bottom die is fixed and upper die is movable. Upper die are joining with the roller mechanism. In this type of square block are to making a flat plate. Then the press forging. In a press forging, same as the drop forging, in this press forging, use of the hydraulic mechanism. In this hydraulic mechanism, the force are more than the drop forging. That's why a hard material are used. Whenever use a hard material, it is use of press forging. Then upset forging. In upset forging, we are making a screw, nut, bolts, head are making in the offset forging. Then the extrusion. Extrusion, there are two types of extrusion, forward extrusion and backward extrusion. A forward extrusion works, the force are applied and the material outcome both direction is same, and backward extrusion works, the force applied and the material removal are both direction is opposition. Then a wire drawing. In wire drawing we are reducing the diameter of wire. Then fabrication process. Third process is fabrication process. Fabrication process are essentially involving joining piece either permanently or temporary. The joining can be achieved by either or both of heat, pressure to joining material. The simple definition of fabrication process is what two similar or non-similar material are joined with or without the pressure, with or without the filler material are to join permanently or temporary. Let's we discuss about the types of fabrication process. First one is gas welding, second one is electric arc welding, resistance welding, brazing and soldering. First, the gas welding. The types of gas welding is oxy-acetylene gas welding, oxy-hydrogen gas welding. It is the types of gas welding process. Second one is arc welding. The types of arc welding is carbon arc welding, TIG, MIG are the types of electric arc welding. Then resistance welding. Types of resistance welding are spot welding, seam welding, projection welding. It is the types of resistance welding. Then brazing and soldering. Last process is the material removal process. These are the important manufacturing process to remove unwanted material in the form of chips from the material by harder tool so as to obtain final desired shape. A material removal process in this process unwanted material in the form of like chips are to removed. Then a final finishing shape are done. It is the material removal process. The types of machining operation like turning, milling, drilling and facing. These are the operation for the remove of unwanted material like of chips are removed by the in this process. This video are covering of the most IMP question of types of manufacturing process in asked in GTU exam 7 marks. I hope you are understanding this understanding this question. Okay, thank you.